Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and we love technology, and today we are all about loving the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If next year they come out with an S and it's 13 Pro S Max or 13 S Max Pro, I'm gonna be dead. But that's not the problem today. Today, the problem, we don't have any problems. We have no problems. We have options. We have lots of beautiful leather cases, which I've gone to great lengths to secure for you, for all of you lovely people. So we are looking at the golden brown, Sequoia green, Sequina, I don't know, dark cherry, midnight. We got all these great colors. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna use all of these in my beautiful iPhone 13 Pro Max. What I can tell you so far is the iCloud is still doing its thing. So I haven't really had a chance to do anything with my phone because I was a little delayed in setting it up because I'm so excited about all these new things and toys and accessories. And I want to start with what I'm going to call my favorite, which is the brown. It is called golden brown to be very specific. So let's go ahead and open this up. It opens up, it kind of clicks in there. So if you're a little worried, just boop, there you go. Easy peasy, Apple does it the best. Got stupid papers, nobody cares. And this is MagSafe compatible because it's got the little gimmick inside. So there you go, you pop your phone in and it looks like this. The only thing that I don't like about this case is that it's covering up that beautiful blue. But now I have a sleek, professional, stylish looking case. It don't stop there. Next, we're gonna go ahead and look at the black case. So this is what they are calling Midnight. Let's take a look at that. So here is some midnight goodness for you. That actually looks pretty good. If you're looking for just good old basic, goes with anything on the planet, black, this is your color. Next is the dark cherry case, which I don't know if I would call this dark cherry, more like a dark purple, but they're calling it dark cherry. I don't know. Maybe what I think of what a cherry is, which is cherry red, is a little bit different, but I guess this could be a dark cherry color too. So this is really nice. If you're into purple, this might be your jam. Next is the dark green. They're calling it Sequoia green or something of that nature. It's Sequoia on the Pixel 5a. Don't put that in the video. We have this lovely Sequoia green. You like that? I figured out what I'm saying, Sequoia. So this is kind of like Sequoia National Park Forest, right? So that's why it's green, because earthy, greeny trees. So that kind of makes sense. So this I actually dig. I dig all of these colors. I think I'm missing a product red. I'm not too sure. I think one more I'm missing. I don't know. It wasn't available today for pickup, so I couldn't bring it to you. Got lots of options. You have all of these colors to play with. They're gorgeous. It's like a smorgasbord of colors this year when it comes to the iPhone. You've got your Sequoia green, your dark cherry, your golden brown, and your midnight black. I'm so impressed. I remembered all of that. It looks solid. They look amazing. Which one of these beautiful colors are you going to put on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max? Leave me a comment below and let me know which device you got and which case you like or you want. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.